comes Barlock. Here comes Barlock with the drill. Here comes Barlock with the drill. Here comes Barlock with the drill
and the hammer.
Here he is. He's gonna make this place so good. What are you doing? What is this for?
I don't know. Taking doors off.
Oh, taking the doors off.
The door's coming off!
I really like this music. Who is this?
Tortoise.
Tortoise?
Tortoise.
Tortoise?
Tortoise.
Tortoise? Is that Burdock?
Probably.
Look, it's Burdock. Hi, Burdock.
How you doing there, Burdock?
Why don't you get the fuck out of here, Burdock?
Just sing.
But never stop. So people come in, you're the engineer, producer, whatever. You sing everything. You just sing it all.
Oh.
Come on in, have a seat, nice to meet you.
We're gonna have a real good time.
That could be your thing.
How you doing today? Gonna write a hit song. Gonna do it, yeah. Just bring your gear on inside. I'm your singing engineer. Doing it all day long. Even while you're playing, I'm gonna sing over your song.
Oh God, that was good.
The door's coming off!
No, this is door number 3. Do you have a song about door number 3?
Trying to take my couch downstairs. Gotta go through many doors. Number 3 is the one we need.
This is big time, man. You don't find this kind of shit in Vancouver.
No way. Well, this is it.
Right? Burdock got me.
Well, you know what? You can tell Burdock to just go fuck himself.
I can?
Yeah.
I don't think...
It's stuck in my dog all the time. It's just...
I know, look, it's stuck in me right now.
You know? I know, look at that shit. Like,
Look at Burdock.
Seriously.
Burdock likes to
Like,
just...
Fight! Fight!
Yeah.
Stay alive! I've really been enjoying the Canadian accent lately.
What is the Canadian accent?
Oh, shit.
Here comes Barlock. Here comes Barlock. With the drill.
Yeah, man, we got a chill zone in here now. It's fucking awesome. It's the best thing ever.
Here, get a high five on... There we go.
See, that was, I knew it was a chore. It was well planned out.
Yeah, we worked well as a team.
Well, it's like...
You gave all the right orders. I took all the right directions. I'm not recording the... Unless you have a song about putting the doors back on.
The door's coming off! I was living an open life. My life had no strife. That's all I got.
Oh. Hey, guess what we gotta do now?
We'll put another door on.
Yeah. What was this? This was the 4th door.
Door 4.
Door 4?
This was 1.
Doesn't make any sense. How'd he get there? Like, in behind my necklace. Fucking Burdock's crafty. We got the couch in the room.
should flip this couch on its back so I can put its legs on. You're gonna help me with that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Flip it on its back. Yeah, yeah. Put it over here. Let's turn this around. Put it over there. Just turn yourself around. Just slide it. There you go. I think it'll fit, don't you know?
It's beautiful.
Gonna have a seat on the chair. Listen to the music over there.
It says Spidey wants to crawl into the couch orifice.
Couch orifice?
Couch orifice. Couch orifice.
Spider-Ray! Spider-Ray!
Look,
Nice memory.